Mga 18, may reminder sa kanilang kapwa 18 sa panonood sa nalalapit na concert ng SB19. Say ng SB19 Weavers update, D2 before wakas at simula finale o D2 na lang. Ticket printed na ba for the concert mga Caps? So, say nila, Caps, alam nyo ba na kailangang i-present ang WAS printed ticket bago makapasok sa fan zone natin sa Parkal? Print nyo na yan para less hassle at tuloy-tuloy ang saya. See you mga Caps! Samantala, namumroblema naman ang isang 18 dahil tila maaga niya yata na nakuha ang kanyang ticket kaya eto ang kanyang sinabi. Hello mga Caps, medyo kabado, 20 ako kasi yung ticket ko medyo nabubura na ang print. Ako lang ba or meron ding same scenario sa inyo? Sana tanggapin pa to, huhu. Paalala ng mga kapwa 18 na picture na po ang QR code para mabulaman yung mga nakasulat dun sa ticket and napicturean mo na yung QR code, so yun ang importante doon. Samantala, ang nasabing very active na Asian Inquirer na lagi pong updated sa SB19. So, ibinahagi po nila na V-First is finally in Manila for the SB19 finale. Japanese group B-First arrives in Manila to perform the chart-topping hit Toy Friend alongside P-pop leaders SB19 this coming Saturday. Sa patuloy ng kanilang artikulo, narito po ang sinasabi. The collaboration centers on the wakas at simula the trilogy concert finale scheduled for April 18. Both groups recently achieved significant success on Japanese music chart with their high-energy track Toy Friend. B-First member Leo praised SB19's explosive live performances, describing their stage presence as deeply immersive. SB19 leader Pablo emphasized that this partnership is a critical step in introducing Filipino music to a global audience. Member Stell noted that the collaboration with a major Japanese act allows SB19 to effectively tap the international market. The Japanese stars admitted they did not hesitate to work with the kings of P-pop after witnessing their passion live. This cross-cultural alliance highlights the growing synergy between the competitive P-pop and J-pop industries. Preparations are currently underway for a historic showdown that promises to bridge regional cultural gaps through music. Sobrang laki ng paghanga at respeto ng Japanese group na ito na B-First sa SB19. Dahilan kung bakit very excited sila na nakipag-collaborate sa grupo. At yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.